All right, so today we're gonna be unboxing the PowerBeats Pro by Beats by Dre. So these headphones offer up to 9 hours wireless play. They're sweat and water resistant, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, and on-ear controls for music and calls. And these are compatible with Android and Apple devices. These also offer the option to listen with a friend. So you can pair these with another set of beats, and then two people can listen to the same song by linking the two headphones together. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can get our eyes on these earbuds. One thing I do like about all of the Beats products is the packaging is always super nice. All right, so this is your charging case. And before we open up the headset, let's go ahead and see all the additional stuff that they sent to you. All right, so inside here, we have your instruction manual. You also get a Beats sticker, your USB Type-C charging cable. Then you also have some additional ear tips, so that way in case you lose one or they don't fit perfectly, you can always change out those tips so that way you get a nice snug fit with the earbuds in. All right, so this is your charging case. Comes in a traditional matte black with the Beats logo right here on the front. They also have a LED indicator right here to let you know when they're plugged up and they're being charged. And you also have the USB Type-C jack right here in the back when you need to charge this. And there you go. These are the PowerBeats Pro in navy, and they also feature the Beats logo right here on each earbud. And I would say that's like a rose gold color, and these fit really well over the ear. So if you're into sports or you like to run, this would be the perfect earbuds for you because they won't be falling out your ears when you're doing your exercise. All right, so the first time pairing this with your device, what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead into the instruction manual. There's gonna be a QR code where you can download the Beats app to your mobile device. Once you download that to your mobile device, you're gonna go ahead and pair your phone to the Beats earbuds. Now, when you wanna add additional devices, there is a system button that is located right here. You'll be able to hold that down and pair that to additional devices. But make sure you download the Beats app when you're first getting this connected to your device, so that way you get the best experience possible. All right, so there you go, the PowerBeats Pro wireless earbuds by Beats by Dre. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you on the next one.